What's the meaning of boilermaker? Boilermaker. Boilermaker.
Boilermaker. Boilermaker. Boilermaker refers to two different things. One is a beer and a shot combination, where a shot of whiskey is dropped into a glass of beer. The other is a skilled worker who designs, builds, and maintains steam boilers. In the context of industrial construction, a boilermaker possesses the knowledge and skill to construct, install, and repair various types of boilers. A boilermaker is an essential profession in many industries because of the importance of boilers in generating power and providing heat. The job requires extensive technical expertise and physical strength, along with a commitment to safety.